India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students looking to build a career in the digital economy, CTS offers the trade of information technology. From startups and banks to hospitals, government offices, trained IT professionals play a vital role every single day. In this 2-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant tools, machines, and real workshop environments. Students learn computer hardware, operating systems, networking fundamentals, cybersecurity basics, web technologies, database management, and practical troubleshooting using industry-relevant tools and workshop training. After successfully completing training and assessment under CTS, trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across IT companies, software firms, banking and financial institutions, government departments. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. Learn today, lead tomorrow.